Hello, young artists! Get ready for a fun ride as we draw a special CNG auto rickshaw today. Let's rev up our creativity and dive into this colorful adventure. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's begin by sketching the body of our lively auto rickshaw. First, the body. Then the essential features, headlights and two sturdy wheels. Continue by drawing the front windshield and side doors. Let's not forget the comfy seat inside and the crucial handle to steer the way.
Cool!
Our auto rickshaw is taking shape. Complete the outline, making it bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Bring out those vibrant color pens. As we add color, let's name each hue.
Awesome!
Yellow color. Blue color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Orange color. Gray color. Sea green color. Red color.
Wow!
Superb job, little artists! You've painted a delightful auto rickshaw with your imagination. Get ready to roll into a fantastic journey as we draw and color a wonderful bicycle today. Let's hop on and start pedaling our way through creativity. First, grab your pencil and create a rough sketch of our cool bicycle.
Wow!
Begin with the front wheel, shaping it just right. Followed by the mudguard and the sleek handle. Next up, draw the back wheel, add the chain cover, and don't forget the pedals. Continue by sketching the frame of our amazing bicycle. Craft the seat and a sturdy back carrier too. Let's add a charming front basket to our bicycle. It's the perfect spot for all our artistic inspiration. Make sure the outline is crisp and bold for that final touch. Bring out your vibrant color pens. It's coloring time. Pink color. Blue color. Purple color. Red color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Let your imagination ride high with these beautiful colors. Great job, young artists! You've created a magnificent bicycle with your incredible creativity. Keep exploring, keep drawing, and keep pedaling through your imagination. Until next time, happy drawing and happy cycling! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.